Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying IDM is installed on your PC and updated. This matters because Chrome blocks outdated integration modules. Once done, open Chrome and navigate to Chrome, / extensions and enable developer mode so you can load unpacked or drag a CRX. Then, find the IDM extension file on disk. It may be named IDM integration module, CRX, or a zipped folder. You need that exact file, otherwise the browser cannot add the extension, so make sure the version matches your IDM release. You now load the integration, drag the CRX onto Chrome, / extensions and drop it. Chrome prompts to add the extension. If Chrome blocks CRX installation, extract the CRX or ZIP into a folder and click Load Unpacked, then select that folder. This bypasses the block while keeping the extension intact. Make sure you grant required permissions, especially file access and native messaging. These let IDM intercept downloads and communicate with the browser. Once added, check the extension icon and status to verify active integration. You finish by restarting both Chrome and IDM so the native messaging host registers properly. This step often fixes recognition issues. Then test by downloading a file from a common site and watch IDM site log to confirm the browser handed off the download. If it still fails, make sure Chrome and IDM versions are compatible. Then remove the extension, reinstall the same IDM release, and re-add the extension. One key troubleshooting tip: version mismatch is the usual culprit. Align versions before repeating the load steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.